Today, I'm going to show you how to add CTAs to your DropInBlog blog posts. In your post editor, click inside the content area where you want to add your CTA. We'll click here and add some space. Then, click on this icon with a rectangle and an arrow pointing to it. This is the Insert CTA button. And as you can see, there's the call to action button added to your post with the default text. To customize this CTA button, just click on it, and you'll see the following customization options: Style, Edit Link, and Unlink. Click on the pen/edit link icon to view the editing options. In the pop-up, you can set the following: add a link to your CTA button, change the default button text, and select the appropriate rel attribute from the drop-down. There's also the option for the link when clicked to open in a new tab. Once satisfied with your link customizations, click on Update on the lower right of the pop-up. You also have control over how you want to display the CTA button. Simply click on the CTA button, and in the small pop-up, click on the link icon with the star. Then you'll see two options, the default and inline. Default adds the CTA button to your blog in its own standalone paragraph. Inline displays your CTA button on the same line as your post's paragraphs, headings, and other elements. You'll also notice that if you deselect the CTA button style, like so, your CTA will show as a regular text link with the button styling removed. You can actually further customize your DropInBlog CTA button by going to the code and layout page of your DropInBlog account. Then, navigating to the Advanced section, and under Design Customizations, a little bit to the bottom, you can find the options to change your CTA button's background color and text color. Clicking on either of these default values under these fields will open up a palette of suggested colors. You can also add your colors by entering their hex code, like so. You can check your changes in the preview to the right. Let's pick this orange color. And there you'll see it in the preview change. Once you're satisfied with your changes, make sure to click on Save Design Customizations on the bottom left for the changes to reflect in your blog posts. Once confirmed, we'll scroll back up, click on Posts, click on the post that we were editing before, and as you can see, the color background for the CTA button has been applied. Once again, let's click on Save Post. Now let's check out our post in our live site by clicking on View Post over here. There's our blog post, and there is our CTA button. And that is how you add CTAs to your DropInBlog blog posts. Happy blogging!